Welcome back, everybody. We have a 2021 FLHXS that is a Street Glide special with ABS in vivid black. It does have the Prodigy wheels, black finish, dual Brembo brakes up front, full fender, LED headlight, batwing fairing, custom mirrors, custom grips. This one will have to be replaced. It is damaged. We have a flush cap, infotainment system. Oh, the handlebars are aftermarket. 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine, 6-speed transmission. Vance and Hines. Looks like a big radius is the model. A full exhaust. Have the bags, which have a minor scratch on the side. They are one touch lift, hard saddlebags, 2-up seat. Do have the attachments here available for a sissy bar or tour rack. Docking hardware. Excuse me. I have the 114 Derby cover, heel shift, and engine guard with the highway pegs. Let's start her up. Just have 11,642 miles. So much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on where you would go with this new Street Glide special to our used bike inventory.